Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day today. So, as you can probably tell by my background, because this is where I start most of my vlogs, we're going to be vlogging today because I'm actually going somewhere. We're actually leaving the house. Who is she? So basically, I'm going to quickly get ready and I'm not really sure what is going to go on throughout the vlog, but we're going to IKEA and I love IKEA. So I'm going to bring you guys with me and we can have a little look around and stuff. I'll try and film as much as I can in IKEA. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys with me because, you know, it might be nice to have a vlog that's not just in my house all day. I'm a recluse, what can I say? But yeah, let's get ready and then we'll go to IKEA. You filming? Say hi.
Hi.
So Rory and Kane just got home from the hairdressers. My makeup is obviously done, so I'm going to quickly sort my hair out and get ready. And then we're going to IKEA. What? Pardon? You want a sausage roll? She's obsessed with sausage rolls. So yeah, I'm going to get ready and then we're going to IKEA. But Kane's whole family is coming as well. So I think I'm going to be a little bit nervous to film in IKEA, but I'll try and get like little snippets for you. I'll try and brave it. But yeah, let's quickly get ready. So ignore the mess on my desk and stuff. I was obviously just getting ready, but here is today's fit. So I just have these jeans are from New Look, I think. Yeah, these jeans are from New Look. This top is just from Primark. It's actually a bodysuit. So comfy. This jacket is from a website called Elohim Saga, I think it's called. It's actually really cool. I don't know whether I can show you guys, but like it's got all these little like anime details on it. It's cute, although I wouldn't recommend Elohim Saga because this was actually supposed to be Kane's and it come and it was just far too small. That's rude. Yeah, it come and it was just far too small. So I tried to send it back and get another size and never got like anyone contact me. I got in contact with the Instagram. They never like answered me either. Or actually they did answer me and then they just left. Like they were just like, yeah. So I couldn't return it. So I kept it because it fits me quite nicely, which is lucky. But yeah, I won't recommend them, but it is cute. But now we're going to IKEA. I'm super excited because I love IKEA. So let's go. Oh, also we're gonna obviously be switching over to my phone because I'm too scared to take my camera out in public. So the quality might be a little bit worse. So I apologise, but let's go anyway. Are you gonna get stuck in the door? Ah! We're stuck! What are you doing? Are you doing on your keyboard? Gently.
Look, it's maybe this.
You like that, Kane? Whoa!
Yeah.
Bebo!
Put your feet up. Put your feet up.
Whee! Hi! So I think Kane's found the desk that he's gonna have for his like computer setup. Rover is obsessed with this little egg thing, so that's cute. And yeah, now we're just wandering around aimlessly looking for extra things to buy. Woo! Who's that?
It's Littlefoot.
It's Littlefoot. I'm over the moon because I got my IKEA candles, my favourite, vanilla. Very successful trip to IKEA. We got exactly what we wanted and I got me candles. Sorry about the quality because I'm still filming on my phone, but we have just got back from IKEA and it was very successful. We got everything that we wanted and I kind of saw a few things that I'm thinking about getting when we move on to different rooms in the house. But I'm going to order a Domino's, so that's fun. I'm not sure how much of that I'm going to film though. I could do a quick pan over, but it's with like Kane's family, so I'm like a little bit nervous. But yeah, I'm going to be having a Domino's in a minute, so cannot wait for that. So, sorry about the god awful lighting, but we've just got back and it's like 11 o'clock. Like, we stayed out way too late, much later than expected. So I'm not sure how much of the vlog I've actually got for today. So I'm gonna pretty much just take my makeup off and put my pajamas on and get myself kind of ready for bed. And then I'm gonna sit down and edit and decide whether this needs to be a 2-day vlog, because quite possibly it will be. If it is a 2-day vlog, I'll show you guys like what we brought for Kane's like setup. But he's kind of waiting for like 2 new screens to come, so that might not be like perfect, but you'll see like what we actually brought. And yeah, I'll probably do that for tomorrow's vlog if it does end up being a 2-day vlog, but I'm not sure, so I guess you guys will know whether or not it's going to be a 2-day vlog when, you know, you either see an outro or not. But for now, I'm just going to get myself sorted for bed. Hi everyone, so I've decided to do a 2-day vlog because I don't think that the clips that I filmed yesterday is kind of long enough to do a video. I'm halfway through editing it, so I kind of don't think it's going to be long enough. So I'm going to do a 2-day vlog because today we are going to build the desk that we brought from IKEA yesterday. So I thought that would be fun to show you guys as trying to put this desk up. It's actually really big, so I'm hoping everything goes okay. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly just put my hair up, and we're definitely not doing any makeup or anything like that today. I need to clean my makeup brushes and stuff like that, so I might film that. And yeah, just normal stay-at-home stuff as usual in my vlogs. So let's go build this desk. This is the old crap desk that we're getting rid of, and then now we need to build this one. Well, have you got your tools?
Yeah.
Let me see. So we're gonna squabble and build this.
Another.
Yeah.
No, we won't squabble. You're doing the instructions?
Yeah, I'm just looking.
At what? What are they?
The instructions. Daddy,
Yeah.
you need to just do this under there, and the screws can go in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. You want to take Mummy's job?
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
And the screws can drill
Look at her
in.
finger.
And the drill.
Oh.
And drill this.
I can drill them in.
Woo! Just in time.
Get a good.
I guess happy birthday.
It's going to the brick.
Spoiled boy.
No.
No.
No. Not this
Oh, look, Kane. Show Daddy what? Show him.
It says, no, 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 no.
Oh.
Snap break already. You need a snack? What you got? Sausage roll. It can't focus properly because of the sun. Can they fit in there as well? It must do, because that's literally how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
You done it?
Yeah.
How'd you do it? I don't know how to do it.
All finished? Not a single bicker, eh, Kane? Look at that. Ooh. Now you just got to set it up. You're going to put all your wires back.
Imagine if it didn't fit.
I'd be fuming. There we go, all finished.
Hi everybody, so it's been quite a few hours since the last clip that I took, but basically me and Kane got his desk up, he set up his new screens and like obviously everything else around that. So that is all set up now, which is great. I lit my candles, you know, my favourite IKEA candles, they're all lit. And we just did a little tidy round. It wasn't necessarily messy, but you know, it was just bits and bobs that had got in the way from when we were putting the desk up. So now the house is all back in order. I have my cup of tea, so I'm gonna chill, clean my makeup brushes for a little bit. I have a new makeup brush cleaner to try because I got it with a set I got for Christmas with my Real Technique sponges I got. There was a solid like bar of soap for my sponges, and also you can do makeup brushes as well, so I thought I would try that today because I've not tried it, so I thought I would give it a go. So I'm gonna do that today. Hopefully it's good, because if not I'm gonna have to just go back to using my Johnson's baby shampoo because I haven't brought a brush cleaner yet. So anyway, let's just stop rambling. Let's go and clean my makeup brushes because there's actually a lot this time. I kind of let them pile up a little bit, so let's go clean them. Oh, that's a good cup of tea. So this angle is dreadful and there's probably going to be quite a big echo in here because we are in my bathroom, but yeah, I need to be a little bit quiet because Aurora is having a nap. She got very tired, so yeah, I'm gonna quickly clean some of my brushes. So you're not gonna see me, you're just gonna see me cleaning my brushes. I better take my watch off, roll my sleeves up, and then let's just get on with it. And I want to see how good this little bar of soap from my brushes is going to be, and obviously I'm just going to use this like I always do. So let's go anyway. So I usually always clean my sponge first, so I've just wet it. I don't know whether I need to wet this, probably, right? I don't know. I'm just going to rub my sponge on it and see what happens. Doesn't really seem to be doing a lot. Let me wet it and then maybe that'll help. Oh god, it's so slippy now. Okay, so I've got quite a lot of soap on there. Hey, that actually worked quite well. That did a pretty decent job, to be fair. I just have a few little spots that still need doing. Do you know what? That's actually really good. It cleaned that sponge really, really well, actually. Let's try it with a brush. So let's try it with an eyeshadow brush so I can see how clean it actually gets it. I'm just gonna wet it and then I guess just do this. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this, you know. Okay, so there's obviously quite a lot of soap on there. And then I guess I'm just gonna do what I usually do. I just put a little bit of water in here and then just run the bristles through. Then I'll just rinse it off. Then I'll just get like a clean face cloth and just clean the bristles a little. There we go. Pretty clean, to be fair. Very clean, actually. I actually really like that. So let's just get a move on and wash the rest of my brushes. I have a little declutter video to watch because they're my favourite at the minute. But yeah, let's wash my makeup brushes. So I have finished cleaning my makeup brushes and I really liked the Real Techniques soap bar thing for your brushes. I really like it, and my sponge as well. It really did clean them great and it was a lot quicker. It really didn't take me as long to do my makeup brushes as it usually does, and I had more brushes to clean this time as well, so I really like that. So I'm glad I have that. But yeah, they're all dry. Sorry, they're not all dry. They're all clean. They're currently drying. I've left them on my bed just because then they can air out a little bit, and I'll cover them up later. But now I think what I'm going to do is, it is currently 5 to 6, so it's getting on a little bit. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start to wind down. I'm going to have a bath and a little bit of a pamper sesh in the bath, and yeah, I think that'll pretty much be it for the vlog. Hopefully it's not too long. I'm really hoping it's not, but I guess I'll show you guys what I do when I have like a little pamper sesh in the bath. So let's go. So I'm just about to start running my bath, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys, if you suffer with like dry skin like on your body and stuff like that, this salt scrub here is absolutely amazing. It smells so nice. It has like a layer of oil in it, but literally I use this in the bath and then I don't even need to cream when I get out of the bath, and my skin feels so smooth and it smells so nice. You can get it from Home Bargains, is the only place I've seen it, but it's so good and I can't recommend it enough. So I just wanted to quickly tell you guys about that because it's amazing. Okay, so I have my hair all scruffed up in a bun because, like I said, I'm going to have a bath and like a little pamper evening in the bath. I don't need to like wash my hair or shave or anything like that, so it's literally just relaxation, which I am excited for. So I'm going to do a face mask, and originally I was going to do this mask. So this is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask, but I was looking at my skin, and although I have like a few blemishes, this really isn't that bad for me. So I'm actually not going to do this one today. I'm going to do the glow mask. So this one brightens and exfoliates, and I do have a couple dry patches on my skin at the minute where like blemishes and that are drying out. So I'm going to use this one today. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm kind of excited. So let's apply this. So I like to do my face mask with a brush, just because then I'm not using my hands to do it, and obviously my brush is clean. This mask isn't the easiest to apply with a brush though. Just kind of tuck my piercing away. So now, whilst this dries, I'm going to start running my bath, and then just before I get in the bath, I'm gonna wash this off. You guys probably won't see that, but yeah, now I'm just gonna run my bath. So I'm feeling all fresh. I've just got out of the bath. My skin feels so smooth. I just, you know, clean pajamas on. Yeah, I feel amazing. So it's currently like 7:30. So I was in the bath for about an hour. So now I'm gonna go and have dinner. We're just having a curry. It's already cooked, so I can't really film it for you guys or anything like that. And I think this vlog is going to be a lot longer than I anticipated, so hopefully it's not too long, and you know, it was still entertaining for you guys. It's my first ever kind of like 2-day vlog, so let me know if you enjoyed the like couple of days vlogs rather than just singular vlogs, and if you prefer like the longer style vlog videos, let me know, because obviously I want to know what you guys want to see. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go chill now and eat my dinner and probably edit this vlog. But yeah, like I said, I really hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, because that really does help me out, and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and comment down below what you want to see from me, what videos you want me to film, and what type of vlog style videos you like, whether you prefer like the longer vlogs or the shorter vlogs. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling, and yeah, bye.